I used AI to launch a print-on-demand business without designing anything myself. Here's how you can do it too. Print-on-demand means you sell shirts, mugs, posters without touching inventory. You upload a design, someone buys it, and the company prints and ships it for you. It's passive, it's scalable, and with AI, it's easier than ever. Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning designs. Type something like retro sunset with a motivational quote. And boom, you've got a product image. No Photoshop, no art degree. Upload your design to Printful, Redbubble, or Etsy. They handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just focus on creating and marketing. This part matters. Use AI to write product titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure your listing shows up when people search. Think funny cat mug for teachers, not just cat mug. Use AI to write social captions, create Pinterest pins, or even generate TikTok scripts. You don't need a huge following, just consistent content. This side hustle takes a few hours to set up and can run while you sleep.